Have you ever imagined the effects of LPG accidents? Yes, negligence towards an LPG usage can lead to disaster. Every now and then, we hear of LPG cylinder accidents around us. Yet, we ignore to take adequate precautions to avoid such a disaster. Why and how does a cylinder explode? Majority of the LPG accidents occur due to a flashback, also known as backfire. A flashback occurs when a flame reaches the LPG cylinder neck, resulting in an explosion. There are more than 24 types of flashback. Let us now look at two types of flashback. An unattended cooking practice can lead to gas leak, which leads to an explosion. As in this scenario, milk spilling out of the vessel clogs the burner and extinguishes the flame. Though the flame is extinguished, the gas is still flowing out of the burner. Eventually, unburnt gas fills the surrounding area. So, when a spark triggers, the spark travels back into the cylinder neck and the cylinder explodes. Gas leak also occurs when a substandard pipe is used with the cylinder. A substandard or an aged pipe could crack, leading into gas leak. So, again, when a spark triggers, the flame travels back into the cylinder neck and it explodes. Let us look into detail how a cylinder explosion takes place. When a flashback occurs and the flame travels back to the cylinder neck, the gas burns at the neck for a while. Meanwhile, due to the heavy combustion, the cylinder gets hot, making the metal weak. As the liquid fuel turns into gas rapidly to compensate for the ongoing combustion, heavy pressure builds up inside the cylinder. This eventually leads into an explosion. Rakshak Gas Guard. Rakshak Gas Guard is a safety device designed to make cooking safe and more efficient. It acts as a firewall against any type of flashback reaching the cylinder neck. Hence, it eliminates completely any risk of a cylinder explosion. Rakshak Gas Guard also acts like an intelligent calibrator. It calibrates the quantity of gas flowing into the burner based on your requirement. By regulating the gas quantity, it increases the cylinder efficiency by around 29%. A healthy combustion occurs when the fuel to oxygen ratio is 1:1, whereas unhealthy combustion is a result of inconsistency in this ratio. A non-efficient combustion looks like this. Here, the gas is only half burnt. The rest of it turns into soot and is deposited on the vessels. Whereas in an efficient combustion, the gas is completely burnt and the temperature is also more in comparison. This leads in efficiency while cooking. Rakshak Gas Guard helps us to cook food in the same time using less gas.